Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So before we start with the drafting, we will first spend some time in analyzing this geometry and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. After analyzing this drawing carefully, I feel the best way to start this drawing would be to draw a rectangle in the top view. So we'll first begin by drawing a rectangle of 32 units by 56 units in the top view. Then we'll also draw this inner smaller rectangle of 16 units by 12 units. Then we'll go into the southwest isometric view, and using the push-pull feature, we will extrude the thickness to 8 inches or to 8 units. Afterwards, we'll draw this rectangle which is of 16 units by 8 units. And this distance, we'll extrude this rectangle to a distance of 20 minus 8, that is 12 units. Then we'll copy this rectangle to the lower right corner over here because the dimensions of both these rectangles are the same. Finally, we'll select all the objects and using the union command, we'll combine it into one object. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the rectangle. So first we'll draw a rectangle of 32 by 56 units. So in the top view, we go in the home and we select rectangle and we draw one rectangle. We give the length as 56 units and the breadth as 32 units and hit enter. So this is our rectangle. Now we have to draw that inner small rectangle, and the dimensions for the inner small rectangle is 16 by 12. So again we use the rectangle command, and anywhere inside this we draw a rectangle of 16 units, press tab, 12 units, hit enter. Then we move it. So we select the move command, we click on the object to move, we click on the center, and then we move it to the geometric center of the upper big rectangle. Now we go into the southwest isometric view by clicking on this home icon. Now, using the press pull feature of AutoCAD, we are going to now give it a thickness of 8 units. So first we'll click on this 2D wireframe and select shaded with edges, and then use the press pull feature and click over here and give a thickness of 8 units and hit enter. Now we'll draw this upper rectangle which is of 16 units by 8 units, and that will draw in this area over here. So again we use the rectangle command and we click over here. You can type end, so you go to the proper end of this rectangle, and now you can give the distance for the rectangle. So we want it 8, we press tab, and 16 and hit enter. So the rectangle is now ready. Now we have to extrude it to a distance of 20 minus 8, that is 12 units. So we use extrude command, and here you can type L, so it selects the last object, and then we give a thickness of 12 units. And now we have to copy this object over here. So CO for copy. We click on the object to copy, click on the base point. So we select end point and we click over here and move it to the end point over here. Then press escape and our geometry is now complete. Now we'll select all the objects like this, and utilizing the union command of AutoCAD, we'll select all these objects and make them into one, and our geometry is now complete. So friends, in this tutorial we have seen how to make this beautiful geometry in AutoCAD. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.